Hi guys, welcome back to Stacking Stocks once again. We are super happy to have you on board. Now today, we are going to have an interesting session about Tesla and Elon Musk's success story, how it all began and how the journey has been so far. So Tesla Motors is an American manufacturer of batteries, electric vehicles, home power storage, and solar panels. The EV company was founded by American entrepreneurs Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning in 2003 and was named after Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla. Now, before we get into the details of the company's operations since its inception, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell for more of our videos. So Tesla Motors was formed to develop an electric sports car with Eberhard as Tesla's chief executive officer and Tarpenning its chief financial officer. Funding for the company was obtained from a variety of sources, most notably PayPal co-founder Elon Musk, who contributed more than $30 million to the new venture and served as chairman of the company beginning in 2004. In late 2007, Eberhard resigned as CEO and president of technology and joined the advisory board of the company. It was announced in 2008 that he had left the company, though he remained a shareholder. Tarpenning, who was vice president of electrical engineering, supervising the development of electronic and software systems for the Roadster, also left the company in 2008, while Musk took over as CEO. In 2008, Tesla Motors released its first car, the completely electric Roadster. In company tests, it achieved 245 miles on a single charge, which was a range unprecedented for a production electric car. Additional tests revealed that its performance was comparable to that of many gasoline-powered sports cars since the Roadster could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds and could reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour. Its lightweight car body was made of carbon fiber. The Roadster produced no tailpipe emissions as it did not use an internal combustion engine. Tesla Motors found that the car attained efficiency ratings that were equivalent to a gasoline mileage of 135 miles per gallon, which is approximately 57 kilometers per liter. The vehicle's electric motor was powered by lithium-ion cells often used in laptop computer batteries, which could be recharged from a standard electrical outlet. Despite federal tax credit of $7,500 for purchasing an electric vehicle, the Roadster's cost of $109,000 made it a luxury item. Now, in 2010, the company's initial public offering raised about $226 million. 2 years later, Tesla stopped production of the Roadster to concentrate on its new Model S sedan, which was commended by automotive critics for its performance and design. It came with 3 different battery options, which gave estimated ranges of 235 or 300 miles. The battery option with the highest performance gave an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in slightly more than 4 seconds, and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Unlike the Roadster, which carried its battery system at the back of the car, the Model S had its battery system underneath the floor, which gave extra storage space in the back and improved handling because of its low center of gravity. This battery placement has since been used on later Tesla models. The Tesla Autopilot, a form of semi-autonomous driving, was made available in 2014 on the Model S and later on in the other models. And that was just the start of Tesla's success story. Stay tuned as we unfold more about the development of Tesla's electric vehicles and the growth of the company's valuation. So beginning in 2012, Tesla built stations called superchargers in the United States and Europe designed for charging batteries quickly and at no extra cost to Tesla owners. Later versions of those stations also had the capability of complete replacement of the Model S battery pack. Tesla released the Model X, a crossover vehicle with features of a sport utility vehicle but built on a car chassis, in 2015. The Model X had a maximum battery range of about 340 and seating for up to 7. Thereafter, Tesla began building large factories called gigafactories to produce batteries and vehicles. The first of such factories opened in 2016 outside Reno, Nevada. Gigafactories were opened in Buffalo, New York, and Shanghai, China, and more gigafactories were planned. Because of demand for a more inexpensive vehicle, the Model 3, a 4-door sedan with a range of up to 353 miles and a price of $35,000, began production in 2017. The car had an all-glass roof, and most controls were on a 15-inch central touchscreen. The Model 3 became Tesla's best-selling model and the best-selling electric car of all time, surpassing the Nissan Leaf. The company also branched out into solar energy products, and the line of batteries to store electric power from solar energy for use in homes and businesses was unveiled in 2015. Tesla bought the solar panel company SolarCity in 2016 and offered rooftop solar panels, a solar roof with energy-generating tiles, and a large battery called the Powerwall to store the power generated for use when the sun was not shining, or as a backup in case of a power outage. In 2017, the company changed its name to Tesla Inc. to reflect that it no longer sold just cars. The following year, Musk made a series of tweets about taking Tesla private, claiming that he had secured funding. In September 2018, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission charged him with securities fraud, alleging that his tweets were false and misleading. Later that month, Tesla's board rejected a proposed settlement from the SEC, reportedly after Musk threatened to resign. However, news of the rejected deal sent Tesla's stock plummeting, and the board quickly accepted a less generous settlement, the terms of which included Musk stepping down as chairman for at least 3 years and that his tweets were to be pre-approved by Tesla's lawyers. However, he was allowed to remain as CEO. In addition, both Tesla and Musk were fined $20 million. Musk was critical of Twitter's commitment to principles of free speech in light of the company's content moderation policies. Early in April 2022, Twitter's filings with the SEC disclosed that Musk had bought more than 9% of the company. Shortly thereafter, Twitter announced that Musk would join the company's board, but Musk decided against that and made a bid for the entire company at a value of $54.20 a share for $44 billion. Twitter's board accepted the deal, which would make him the sole owner of the company. Musk stated that his plans for the company included enhancing the product with new features, making the algorithms open source to increase trust, defeating the spam bots, and authenticating all humans. Tesla released another crossover, the Model Y, in 2020. The Model Y was smaller and less expensive than the Model X and shared many of the same parts with the Model 3. Sales of the Model Y quickly became comparable to that of the Model 3, and Musk expressed confidence that it would become Tesla's best-selling model. Tesla announced several models to be released early in the 2020s, including a second version of the Roadster, a semi-trailer truck, and a pickup truck, the Cybertruck, which had a boxy, angular design that excited controversy when it was first unveiled. Elon Musk says that Tesla wants to have completed Cybertruck development before the end of 2022, ready for production to begin in 2023. As part of its secret to success, Tesla continues to focus on creating electric cars and making electric vehicle powertrain systems and components. One of the company's trademarks is to focus on one product at a time. And while Tesla continues making the Model S, it is rolling out new models to expand its customer base. To move with the changing times, Tesla focuses on launching new offerings that target a wider range of consumers. Tesla has expanded its operations globally with locations in the US, Germany, and China in order to stay competitive. The electric car market is growing, with luxury automakers like Mercedes-Benz and BMW jumping into the space. Analysts forecast that the total global sales of electric vehicles will be approximately 29.5% of all new car sales by 2030. Do you think Tesla will stay dominant for years to come? Please engage us via the comments section. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe and see you next time.